Good day, I'm Clark Hendrix Pibane, taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Manila Titano Colleges, former Manila doctors. So here's our edited video by my group mate, our journey as a second year student. So for our first rotational duty at East Avenue Medical Center, so our rotational duties happened every Thursday to Saturday, so 3 days every week. So for East Avenue Medical Center, the farthest duty since I am from Taguig, but it is the most engaging as we handled almost 100 patients, both OB and gynae patients. For second rotational duty, the National Children's Hospital, we handled high-risk patients, pedia patients here, and one of the memorable for me as I saw the kids smiling despite being sick and being high-risk patients. For the third rotational duty, again at Binakayan Hospital Medical Center, just like the first or at my first semester, for fourth rotational duty, San Juan Medical Center, where we practice IV insertion here, IV insertion, which is pretty new for us since it's supposed to be taught at our third years. And for my first try, I did it successfully to my classmate. So for my fifth rotational duty, Manila Titano Colleges, at our school's computer lab for nursing informatics subject. And lastly, the duty I'm most proud of at Medical Center Taguig. Most challenging for me as this is a delivery room setup, and here I assisted the midwife for delivering an actual baby, as we call it, scrubbing in or scrubs in. As you can see at the second picture, most was is the most fulfilling duty as I really see myself more as a competent nurse in the future. And lastly, our skills fair and role-play presentation discussing pedia health, preventing respiratory infection for at a community setup. And that's all. Another semester was done, and I'm always thankful for helping me, especially my parents, for my tuition as I continue to achieve my dream to become a successful nurse. And after seeing my growth for 2 years as a scholar, I'm happy that now I will become a third year student, the most practical and challenging year for us nursing students. And thank you for Charity Philippines organization for helping us scholars achieve our dream. Thank you po.